Welcome to the best picks. The DBEST stair climbing cart is probably one of the most helpful inventions for anyone who frequently needs to move heavy items up and down stairs, whether you're a professional mover, a delivery person, or simply someone who needs to move furniture or appliances around your home. This handy tool can significantly reduce the strain on your back and body, making the task much easier and safer, saving you time and effort while protecting your belongings from damage. In this video, we will explore the top features to look for when selecting a stair climbing hand truck, helping you choose the perfect model to meet your specific needs and budget. Number 5. DBEST Quik Cart Stair Climber. It's the ultimate solution for easy transport of heavy items. This innovative cart makes carrying supplies effortless, whether it's upstairs or across the room. It collapses down to just 3 inches for compact storage, yet expands to hold a surprising amount. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver. It's perfect for teachers, carrying up to 80 pounds of books, papers, and supplies. Keep everything organized and easily accessible. It's made to withstand daily use. Its durable construction ensures it will be a reliable companion for years to come. Use it as a seat, step stool, or storage container. Its non-slip lid supports up to 250 pounds. The possibilities are endless. It effortlessly climbs stairs thanks to its innovative 6-wheel design. Say goodbye to struggling with heavy loads. What we like. It's a sturdy cart, easily carrying up to 80 pounds. Its unique 6-wheel design makes climbing stairs a breeze. If you need a compact, heavy-duty solution for carrying lots of items, this is the one for you. What people say. The lease is very secure and my 250 pounds. Hopped up on it multiple times confidently. Nice emergency chair and could stack items on top to move easily. Collapsed WWLL in my tiny trunk. This crate held all of my nursing school books. Bags could not handle the weight and did not last. This crate on wheels worked great. This cart certainly comes in handy. It's sturdy, and it rolls well, which is great, especially when it's loaded down. It's also easy to set up and folded takes up very little room. Number 4. DBEST Quik Cart Elite. This innovative cart is designed to make your life easier. It's perfect for hauling heavy loads up and down stairs with ease. It collapses down to just 3 inches for easy storage, yet expands to hold up to 120 pounds. You can easily transport boxes, files, or anything else you need. Keep your classroom supplies organized and easily transported. It's the perfect gift for any teacher or anyone who needs to move heavy items. This durable cart is made to withstand daily use. It's lightweight yet strong, making it ideal for various tasks. The non-slip lid supports up to 270 pounds and can be used as a seat or step stool. It's a truly versatile tool for any situation. Its unique 6-wheel design makes climbing stairs a breeze. Say goodbye to struggling with heavy loads. What we like. This cart boasts an impressive 120-pound capacity. It smoothly navigates stairs, making it perfect for those with lots of heavy items to transport. If you need to carry extra heavy loads up and down stairs, this is your best bet. What people say. The lease is very secure and my 250 pounds. Hopped up on it multiple times confidently. Nice emergency chair and could stack items on top to move easily. Collapsed WWLL in my tiny trunk. This crate held all of my nursing school books. Bags could not handle the weight and did not last. This crate on wheels worked great. This cart certainly comes in handy. It's sturdy, and it rolls well, which is great, especially when it's loaded down. It's also easy to set up and folded takes up very little room. Number 3. DBEST Stair Climber Dolly. This innovative cart effortlessly tackles stairs, making grocery shopping and transportation a breeze. Its lightweight design doesn't compromise on durability, ensuring it's ready for any challenge. Watch as it smoothly glides up and down stairs. The unique 6-wheel design ensures stability and ease of use, unlike any other stair climbing cart. It folds in half for compact storage, fitting easily in your car, closet, or under the bed. Portability meets practicality. Use it as a shopping cart, grocery cart, or utility cart. Remove the bag and it becomes a lightweight dolly, capable of carrying up to 150 pounds. Living in an apartment or condo is no problem. It climbs stairs more smoothly than any other stair climber on the market, thanks to its cleverly placed wheels. It features 8 compartments, including a beverage holder, pockets, and even an umbrella holder. Keep everything organized and within reach. What we like. This one offers a large capacity and multiple compartments for organization. It folds flat for easy storage. If you need a versatile cart for shopping, carrying supplies, or even beach trips, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The trolley goes up and down the stairs easily and carries a lot of clothes. I also use it to carry groceries from my car to my apartment and move my dog's kennels from my apartment to the car and back again after a trip with my dogs. It has worked flawlessly and has been through several winters where I used it in the snow and ice. I am so pleased with how well made this product is. True to picture, very sturdy, it goes up and down stairs easy. The maneuverability is great. The wheels roll very smoothly over uneven pavement and curbs and it's easy to turn. The streets around here are horribly uneven and I couldn't even feel the bumps. These are the same bumps that would almost flip my kids out of their strollers when they were little. Seriously, put these wheels on strollers. Even as heavy as my groceries were, and as tired as my arms were, it glided up the steps with ease. Number 2. Folding shopping cart. Say goodbye to heavy grocery bags. This folding cart makes carrying groceries and household items a breeze. Its durable design ensures it's perfect for everyday use and long-lasting. It features durable wheels for smooth rolling, no matter the terrain. The unique wheel design provides stability and ease of use, even on stairs. Storage is simple with its foldable design. It folds away easily for compact storage at home or while camping, always ready when you need it. This versatile cart is perfect for camping trips. Carry all your supplies with ease, making your outdoor adventures more enjoyable. It's not just for groceries. Use it to carry books, tools, or anything else you need to transport. It's a helpful tool for various tasks. This sturdy and foldable cart is designed for frequent shoppers. It's the perfect solution for anyone who needs a reliable and easy-to-use shopping companion. What we like. This cart features durable wheels for smooth rolling and a foldable design for easy storage. It's ideal for transporting groceries or other items. If you prioritize ease of use and portability, this is the cart for you. What people say. It was easy to remove from the box and I assembled it with ease. It's easy to open and close. It was simple to tighten the wheels on and insert the bag into the basket. It goes upstairs with ease and much less jostling than others. The brakes work well and are firm but not too hard to flip. It won't tip over with groceries in it. The wheels are intelligently designed to glide over stairs with minimal effort, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free transportation experience. Number 1. Grocery cart with 360 degrees wheels. This innovative cart makes grocery shopping and other tasks easier than ever. Its unique design tackles stairs and tight spaces with ease. Maneuver it effortlessly in any direction. The special wheels conquer stairs, making every trip smooth and simple. It has a main basket and a handy extra one. Keep your personal items separate and organized. Setup is quick and easy, no tools required. Plus, it folds flat for compact storage in your car or closet. Find the perfect height for comfortable use. The handle is padded for extra comfort. It's perfect for groceries, laundry, camping gear, and so much more. Use it anywhere you need to transport items. What we like. This cart offers 360-degree swivel wheels for ultimate maneuverability and an extra basket for added storage. The adjustable handle ensures a comfortable grip for everyone. If you need a versatile and comfortable cart for various tasks, this is a great option. What people say. It is lightweight and easy to use. It helps me haul heavy sacks of groceries up several large front steps and into the house. I can put around 40 pounds on it, and it works great on stairs. For example, one package of 32 Dasani water bottles, plus some light grocery bags, and it goes well. On paper, it's got a lot going for it. It's got stair climber wheels and pivoting front wheels. Said front wheels are detached, so the axle won't shear through them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.